Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside TikTok, signed into the account you intend to update. This matters because connections are account-specific. Once in Profile, tap the top right menu and choose Settings and Privacy. This is where account links live. Make sure you see Manage Account or Linked Devices, different UI versions, rename it. Now tap Connected Accounts to view current links. Why do this first? Because you need to remove or replace an existing link before adding a new provider, avoiding duplicate bindings and login conflicts. You now handle the main operation, removing or switching the connected account. Tap the provider you want to change, then choose Remove or Unlink and confirm. This severs the OAuth token so TikTok stops using those credentials. Make sure you have the new account's username and password ready, because once unlinked, you should link the replacement immediately to keep features like cross-boasting. This step prevents orphaned connections and avoids account recovery headaches later. So act deliberately and double-check which account you're removing. You finish by adding the new connection. Tap Connect New Account, pick the provider, and authorize with the correct credentials. You'll be asked to confirm permissions. Grant what's needed for cross-boasting or profile syncing. Once connected, test by posting or checking linked settings. If linking fails, clear TikTok cache, update the app, or sign out and sign back in. These fixes resolve token or UI mismatches. If problems persist, enable two-factor on the external account and retry, since extra security can block OAuth flows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.